Hey guys, this is Rishi Cup Vlogs. I wanted to tell you guys about my weekend and show you some clips. So, me and a few friends went to Pagosa Springs up in Colorado and we checked out the hot springs. They were amazing, as always. We also went to Mountain Pizza and Tap and had some fantastic food. I got these sauerkraut jalapeno bites. They're like jalapeno poppers, but they're sauerkraut mixed in and they were so good. We also got different pizzas. I built my own. I just have to say, try it if you're up there. The pizza was fantastic and it was just a really cool place. So you'll see some pictures of that. And then once I got back to Farmington, I went and saw the show Artrageous, and it is an interactive art show. They paint while they're singing and dancing. It was just an interesting experience and I would definitely recommend it if you were looking for something to do. So without further ado, here are clips. I'll tell you more about Pagosa Hot Springs while the music is playing and the clips are rolling, but I hope you enjoy. The drive through Colorado is one of the most beautiful drives in the world. Even if you don't have time to stop and check out the sights, just driving through it would be a great use of your time. Right now you can see Chimney Rock. It is one of the landmarks in southern Colorado near Pagosa. Pagosa Springs hot springs are fed by what is called the Mother Spring Aquifer, which has been named by Guinness World Record as the deepest hot spring in the world. It is full of many minerals and they say that they have healing properties. While we were in Pagosa, we had the chance to do a cold plunge into the river. Somebody tested the water and told us that it was 45 degrees that day, so it was pretty chilly. But we had so much fun that we jumped in and we did it a second time. We also made some amazing friends while we were up in Pagosa, and I just want to give them all a shout out. Really enjoyed meeting all of you.
Her song, oh, you wanna sing along, just listen to the music, my friend. And when the dance moves on me, sit down, take a seat, but don't you let it last all the people living for today. You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. Oh, all right. And he floated light as a feather and landed harmlessly on the ground below. So he took his crayon and he drew a tree. It wasn't a very big forest, just the one tree. But Howard's feeling hungry, so he decides it should be an apple tree. He drew an apple, he picked it, and sure enough, he ate it. He drew the dragon's long tail, he drew the dragon's little feet, he drew the dragon's head with long, sharp teeth, and it was so frightening that it scared even Howard, and he began to shake it as he shook the crayon, shook it as a crayon shook. It made water. Howard was up to his ears in water, but being the clever thinker he was, he drew a boat. Now, Howard had had enough adventures for one evening. So he went to his bed, he laid down, and he drew up the covers. The end. Across the universe, Jaya Guru Deva. Nothing's gonna change my world. Nothing's gonna change my world. Nothing's gonna change my world. Nothing's gonna change my
Okay, so that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the different clips, seeing the different scenery. Colorado is absolutely gorgeous, so I definitely recommend going if you've never been. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you'd like to see. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye.